Hey guys, it's your tax BFF with another 5-minute free financial fix on a Friday. Tune in, like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be talking about the 3 C's of finances, personal and business. Hey guys, so often everybody's always trying to figure out what exactly is wrong with me. Why can't I figure out this money thing? Or, I know I'm making money. I see the money coming in. I see my clients coming in. I see the numbers, but why I don't get no money to show for it? And the first thing I'm going to say is if your personal finances are not in order, they toe up. Your business will follow right behind it. So let's talk about it. There are 3 C's that I want to just kind of throw out there, let it marinate, and we'll talk about more and more over the next coming weeks, okay? The 3 C's are clarify, challenge, and cost. Boom, done. See you guys next week. No, seriously, let's dive into it. So clarify. Number 1, we are not clearly outlining what our goals are. We're not clearly outlining what even each of our accounts are. We're so stuck on we either got to make more money without clearly taking a look at what we're spending the money on or where that money is going. So I want to start from the basics. Let's simplify those bank accounts, okay? People come to me, they're like, I got an account for income and an account for expenses. And I'm like, well, every time you have to pay for an expense, then you have to transfer the money from the income account? How does that work? It doesn't, okay? So let's clarify it and let's simplify it right now. Today, your business bank account, yes, you should have one account for expenditures. So that's payroll, contractors, that type of thing. Anyone who got information from your bank account, maybe you wrote them a check, they got your routing and account number, they should be from the expenditures, okay? That's your operating costs. That's the things that are going out. And then you should have one other account that is more private where all of the income is coming into. In a savings, boom, bam, done. You got 2 checking, 1 savings for the business. Your personal, a checking and a savings. We got some stuff coming in, some stuff going out, and we got some stuff that we're trying to hide to the side. That's it. You got 5, 10, 20 accounts. You got 2 credit unions, 2 banks, this, that. You're doing too much and you're overcomplicating your life, and you will never be able to fully manage what you need to manage in order to go to the next level if your stuff is too complicated. So we're going to clarify exactly what we want to do with our money, where we want that money to go, how we want that money to come in, and we're going to keep it in a simplified accounts. Challenge. I challenge you to learn more. You don't know what you don't know. So if you still are trying to figure out how to save for your kids and they're 15, 16 years old, you're still trying to figure out how to automate your bills because you're living paycheck to paycheck, or maybe you just simply you want to buy a house, right? You've been wanting to buy a house for 20 years and you just haven't been able to get the money together or get your credit in order. How do you think you go satisfy the compliance for an S Corp and save on taxes? Because with that, you have to pay your employment taxes quarterly and make sure your estimated taxes are paid prior to the end of the year so that you can save on taxes. So I say that because you haven't even managed the little things that we're supposed to be looking into day one. Hey, when the baby was in my belly, I was like, all right, how we set this person up for college because they can't have student loans because of Jesus, okay? You need to be on that same kick with everything from personal to business. Learn and intake as much as you can. Take what you have from Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and YouTube, and then continue your research. Continue to get educated. Get a business coach. Get a financial coach. Let's invest into making sure that we are not losing because we just don't know what we don't know. And then 3, cost. I saw this documentary on Netflix and they were talking about how to get rich, basically, right? I love his premise. And he was talking about not eliminating the things that you love, but making them priority spending. and all of the other stuff completely cutting the cost on them, right? So if you love nice bags, right, and you make enough money to afford those bags, you buy your nice bag. But that means you don't really love clothes, right? You need to be dang near at the Salvation Army, okay? Like consignment shops. Like you want to make sure that your cost of living is not exceeding your actual income. So we're taking a look at your spending through a microscopic lens. For instance, a lot of you jump out into business and you're like, I'm going to pay for all of these Facebook ads and Instagram ads because the more people that see me, the more business I'm going to have. And it's simply not true. And it simply has been proven to put people in a hole. You can, if you don't know how to do those ads, if you don't know how to target your target market, if you have not figured out who your niche client is yet, you should not be starting with ads. I am sorry, my love. And you for sure should not be hiring a marketing person that you don't even know how to keep accountable, right? So unless they are guaranteeing you a certain number of dollars and not a certain number of leads, why are you so focused on spending on advertising? Instead, you should be focusing on someone who can save you on taxes, someone who can show you how to do your personal finances so that your budgeting style is able to be translated to your business. You should be focusing on someone who knows how to follow the numbers and knows how to make money. Sales is something that we all need to master in business. Accounting, keeping track of your records are essential to business. It is essential to your personal life too. So once you clarify, challenge yourself, and then start looking at those costs, then and only then will your personal finances start to lead you to a life that your business can flourish in. So if you want to get rich, if you want to save on taxes, if you want to live a lifestyle of peace and comfort and knowing where that money is coming in and that you can spend it any way that you want, right? Let's start here. Thank you so much for joining me on this Friday. I look forward to talking to you all next week.